We are going to put these numbers in order from least to greatest and from greatest to least. Least to greatest means smallest to biggest, and greatest to least means biggest to smallest. So these top ones here we're going to do from least to greatest. 1,191, 1,911, 1,119, and 947. So to go from least to greatest, I need to find my smallest number. To do that, I am going to mark my largest place value for each number. So I have a 1 in the thousands place, a 1 in the thousands place, and a 1 in the thousands place. All those ones are worth 1,000. And I have a 9 in the hundreds place. Now these numbers are all bigger than 947. Even though 9's a larger digit, it's only in the hundreds place, so that 9's only worth 900, whereas these ones, even though they're smaller digits, they're in a larger place, so those ones are worth 1,000. So this 947 is my smallest number, so that's going to be the first one that I write because I'm going from least to greatest. Now let's check out my other numbers to find out which is my next smallest. So all my thousands places are exactly the same. So I'm going to slide over and look at my hundreds places. I have a 1 in the hundreds place, a 9 in the hundreds place, and a 1 in my hundreds place. Now I know right away that this number here is going to be my biggest number because there's a 9 in the hundreds place, and that's a 1 in the hundreds place, and that's a 1 in the hundreds place. So I'm going to put a 4 above that because that's my largest number, and I only have 4 numbers, so that's going to be the fourth number that I write down. So I need to go to my next largest place value with this number and this number, to the tens place and to the tens place. This one has a 9 in the tens place. This one has a 1 in the tens place. So this one here, 1,119, is going to be smaller than 1,191. So this is going to be the second number that I write, then the third number that I write. So the smallest number is 947, then 1,119, then 1,191, and my largest number, 1,911. And down here, we'll put these numbers in order from greatest to least, from biggest to smallest. So I have 2,313, 3,213, 2,133, and 857. So to do this, I want to look at the largest place value of each number to figure out which one's the biggest and which one's the smallest. So I have thousands place, thousands place, thousands place, and hundreds place. Now I can see my largest number very easily here, and I can also see my smallest number very easily here. This has a 3 in the thousands place, which is the largest. Since I'm going from greatest to least, that's going to be the first number that I write. And this one, even though the 8 is the largest digit, it's in the smallest place. It's in the hundreds place, where these numbers all have digits in, or numbers in the, or digits in the thousands place. So this 8 in the hundreds place is only worth 800, which makes 857 my smallest number. So it will be the last one that I write. So now we need to figure out between 2,313 and 2,133, which one's bigger and which one's smaller out of those two. So I go to my next largest place value, the hundreds place, the 3 in the hundreds place, and the 1 in the hundreds place. The 3 is the larger digit, the larger number in the hundreds place, so that makes 2,313 larger than 2,133. So that's going to be the second number that I write since I'm going from biggest to smallest. And then the third number is 2,133 because 2,133 is smaller than 2,313 but bigger than 857. So from greatest to least, it's 3,213, then 2,313, then 2,133, and my smallest is 857. That is from greatest to least or biggest to smallest.